In this video, we are going to look at how you can set up various payment methods for your online store using Mozello. First, on the left side menu, click on the option Catalog. Then select Catalog Settings and find the option Payment. There you can set up all 4 possible payment methods. For PayPal, simply enter your PayPal email address. If you want to enable bank transfers, insert your bank account number and make sure you have filled all the information under Catalog Settings General, as this info will be transferred to your invoices. If you want your customers to be able to pay by cash upon delivery, simply check the box and the method will be added to the checkout process. To set up online payments with cards, select one of the supported platforms such as Stripe and fill the necessary details that will be given to you by the platform once you register with them. You can also use API to add your own platforms of choice.